Alright, so I gave y'all the Juice Wrld preset. I gave y'all the Lil Uzi preset. I gave y'all the Kid Leroy preset. You know what I'm saying? You name it. I gave y'all a lot of different artist presets. But the one I didn't give y'all yet is the Lil Baby preset. And I feel like this preset is long overdue. So I ain't gonna waste no time. Here's the before and after, with and without the preset, so y'all can see what we about to jump into.
Rich ain't no coincidence, you with the message shit, I had to lead a bitch. I get checks and they be confidential, yeah, my number's crazy, I don't need a bitch. Lamborghini with the top off, tryna do the dash, fuck a speeding ticket. Fuck around and got my gang cracking, different labels wanna have a meeting with me. Me getting rich ain't no coincidence, you with the message shit, I had to lead a bitch. I get checks and they be confidential, yeah, my number's crazy, I don't need a bitch. Lamborghini with the top off, tryna do the dash, fuck a speeding ticket. Fuck around and got my gang cracking, different labels wanna have a meeting with me. Bitches lying like she creeping with me, knowing damn well she ain't sleeping with me. In the summertime, I had a heater with me. Who the fuck was saying I ain't lit? I just spent 20 racks on my kid's outfit. Baby mama bum, she don't got shit. Why you tell my son that I'm not shit? You know I'm the reason that he got shit. Rolls Royce truck off white like butter. All these niggas in trouble. All these hoes be fucking. Dog, you can love her, don't trust her. I ain't even flex my muscle. Hit, I had to bust his bubble.
Sheesh. Yeah, now y'all can tell I ain't playing. That preset's a real deal. You know what I'm saying? No matter what equipment you using, your headphones, phone, whatever you're using, it's gonna sound decent. You might just gotta make a few minor tweaks. But hey, let's jump into the preset, man. Hey, and big shout out to y'all, man. We hit 1,000, if y'all ain't know yet, 1,000 subscribers and counting. Hey, look, I couldn't have did it without y'all, so thanks for all the support. Let's jump right into the Lil Baby preset, man. Let's go. I started this Lil Baby preset off for the de-esser, like I usually do. Frequency at 8,500 hertz, threshold at -19. You don't want to take it all the way down to -40 because vocals will start to sound real unnatural and choppy. But yeah, that's what I got for that. The DS is gonna get rid of all those real harsh sibilant S sounds, and you don't want that at all. So yeah, that's what I got. Alright, gang, so next up on this vocal chain, we got a BL driver. And this BL driver, like the whole goal of what I'm trying to do is turn it into like a saturation type thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make the vocals warmer and give it a little more character, a little grit to it. And that's what it's essentially doing in this preset. So y'all try out this BL driver. You can change the drive if you want to, lower it down to 0.1 or something like that. I just wanted to, you know, give it that saturated feel, that warmer feel. But yeah, this is what I got for the BL driver, man. Change the settings up if you got to. But the BL driver really comes in clutch. Hey, try it out. Okay, so next up we got the EQ, the graphic EQ, which they need to change into a parametric EQ. But that's beyond the fact. Here are the settings I got for the graphic EQ. I'm getting rid of some of that low range boominess, taking rid of some of that high mid range, stuff like that, just cleaning the vocal up. The EQ is really gonna change up the tone of your vocals, y'all. So if this ain't sounding right, change the sliders a little bit, man. Just don't go overboard. I'm giving y'all like a safe start. So if anything is like wrong, just change the sliders up till it sounds better in your headphones. Alright, so bet. Next up we got another EQ, the EQ3M. And on this EQ, I'm really just getting rid of that nasty, really bright, harsh sounding 2,500 hertz range. You can tell how bad this range sounds by if you go on this EQ and you put it at 2,500 hertz and you take the mid band in the middle and pull it all the way up to 30 plus 30 dB, you're gonna hear how nasty that frequency sounds. That's why we take out about -3 dB of that every time, sometimes up to -7, depending on how bad it sounds. You'll notice the vocal sounds a lot more clear and cleaner once this range is taken care of some. Alright, Bandlab gang, so the next thing we got is another EQ3M. And on this one, we just boosted up the 8,000 hertz range. The air range, or the range that really makes your vocals sound crispier or brighter. This part of the preset, it really changes on every mic. So if it sounds too harsh, just turn the mid band down some. And if it's not bright enough, bring the mid band up some. Hey, simple as that. I can't make this shit up. Hey, but for the next plugin we got on this Lil Baby preset, motherfucker, we got the BL1176 compressor. Here are the settings I got for that. This can vary too. I'm not really that good at compression, explaining that like that. I know the gist of what it do, but play with the sliders if it don't sound good enough with this compressor. But the compressor gonna bring the vocals together, make them tighter, keep them more evenly in volume, shit like that. So copy this down. Alright, bet. So to go ahead and finalize this compression stage, we added a TechLab BA2A. just to get the vocals more gluey, more glued together, and sit on that beat. I got the squeeze at 80. I got the gain at 100. If it's too loud, the compressor's too loud, just turn that gain down some. But this is what I got for the TechLab BA2A. Now that both compressors are applied, the vocals will sit a whole lot better in that mix compared to having no compression at all. So yeah, that's what I got for that game. Next up, y'all know we gotta add the reverb. We don't want them dry vocals. We want them wet, saucy vocals. Not too wet though. But hey, this is what we got for the reverb, man. Y'all copy these settings down. And if it's not right for you, change the size, change the mix amount. I'm saying do what you gotta do. It's your music. Can't nobody tell you how to mix your music, tell you how to change your style up. So hey, do what you gotta do. But this what I got for the reverb in the meantime. Y'all copy this down if you would like to. And last up, on this vocal chain, if you still here, is a ping pong delay. If you made it to this last effect, you a real OG, and I fuck with you. Cause you really support the channel watching the video all the way through, you know what I'm saying? But this we got for the ping pong delay, to get these vocals a little more wideness to them, fill it out, get those little echoes in the background. That's what we want. Well, that pretty much wraps up the preset part of the video, but now I will be showing y'all the full final mix of this song. And this is real little baby vocals for anybody who wondering, it's not me. I just mixed the song. And if you're not subscribed, man, go ahead and subscribe. Like and comment really helps the algorithm out. And you'll get something out of it. I post content all the time, so you're gonna get lifetime presets, lifetime videos and updates, and all type Bandlab tips. But hey, let's jump into the full final mix of this little baby song.
Me getting rich ain't no coincidence. She with the message shit, I had to lead a bitch. I get checks and they be confidential. Yeah, my number's crazy, I don't need a bitch. I'ma get it with the top off, tryna do the dash, fuck a speeding ticket. Fuck around, ain't got my gang cracking. Different labels wanna have a meeting with me. Bitches lying like she creeping with me, knowing damn well she ain't sleeping with me. In the summertime, I had a heater with me. Who the fuck was saying I ain't lit? I just spent 20 racks on my kid's outfit. Baby mama bum, she don't got shit. Why you tell my son that I'm not shit? You know I'm the reason that he got shit. Rolls Royce truck off white like butter. All these niggas in trouble. All these hoes be fucking. Dog, you can love her, don't trust her. I ain't even flex my muscle. Hit, I had to bust his bubble. I ain't too rich for no scuffle. You try me, I'm bucking. Fucking on hoes and bucking. Told her go slow when you sucking. You'll know when I'm coming. How you be humble with all of this money? Can't go back to nothing. It's different from me. Dior, 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 Dior. I put on that shit like that shit for free. Oh, let's turn her up, turn her up, turn her up, turn her up. I just see them in it like it's bitch. I be stepping on niggas, they under my feet. My Glock in my hand, ain't no one to see. Yeah, you don't even know us, nah. All of us on our cars. All of our jewelry flawless. All of us getting to the motherfucking money. You don't even know us, nah. All of our jewelry flawless. All of us on our cars. All of us getting to the motherfucking money.